I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Magicplan app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, click here on profile and account down here. So then it's going to take you it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here inverse. So then you click here on app preferences, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to make local copies here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean make local copies disable with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable it. I wish now you agree, that's all. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.